Prepare to be amazed as Google's BARD AI takes center stage once again, showcasing its latest mind-blowing capabilities. With new powers in its repertoire, BARD is set to redefine the boundaries of conversational AI, leaving us in awe of the endless possibilities it brings to the table. The world has long yearned for seamless communication across borders, and now Google AI's chatbot BARD is here to make that dream a reality. Say goodbye to language barriers and embrace a new era of global connection as BARD speaks over 40 languages and reaches every corner of the planet, spanning across a staggering 230 countries. With BARD leading the conversational AI revolution, the possibilities are boundless. From business to education, travel to tech, BARD's innovative features are set to elevate the way we interact and collaborate. Prepare to be amazed as BARD effortlessly integrates Google Lens, transforming ordinary conversations into a fusion of text and visuals. Need a voice? BARD's got you covered. Let its smooth text-to-speech capabilities make conversation a breeze for everyone, regardless of visual impairments or reading preferences. But that's not all. BARD's got some tricks up its virtual sleeves. Ever struggled to keep a conversation on track? Fret not. BARD's enhanced conversation management ensures seamless topic switching, so you can effortlessly juggle multiple discussions. Plus, prepare to be thrilled as BARD tailors its responses to your liking, from simple and concise to formal and eloquent. Truly your AI companion, your way. Yet BARD's brilliance doesn't stop there. Calling all coders and tech enthusiasts, this one's for you. BARD is now your coding guru, generating Python code for platforms like Replit and Google Colab, making coding and collaboration a breeze. As we embark on this journey with BARD, let's celebrate the inclusivity it brings to the world. No matter where you are, no matter which language you speak, BARD is breaking down barriers and fostering a global community where conversations know no bounds. Hold on to your screens because the future of conversational AI just got a whole lot more captivating. Google's ingenious integration of BARD with Google Lens has turned the tables in the world of AI, granting it the gift of sight. Yes, you heard that right. BARD can now see, and it's taking conversations to a whole new dimension. Gone are the days of text-only interactions. With BARD and Google Lens in perfect harmony, you can now upload images right into your conversations. From picturesque landscapes to mind-boggling puzzles, BARD's visual comprehension knows no bounds. Prepare to witness the magic unfold as it analyzes images, interprets their context, and serves up responses that truly grasp the essence of visual information. But let's dive deeper into the technical wizardry behind this union. We'll take you on a behind-the-scenes tour of the nuts and bolts, exploring the algorithms that empower BARD's visual prowess. Brace yourself for a whirlwind of computer vision and deep learning as we reveal the secret sauce of this game-changing integration. The real-world applications are nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine customer service interactions elevated to a whole new level as BARD effortlessly identifies products from snapshots, resolving queries with ease. Education takes a leap forward, with visual aids being incorporated directly into lessons, engaging learners in an unprecedented way. And for the visually impaired, BARD emerges as a guiding light, painting vivid descriptions of images, bridging the gap between sighted and non-sighted individuals. This groundbreaking alliance between BARD and Google Lens sets the stage for a revolution in communication. Forget what you thought you knew about AI. It's no longer just words and phrases. It's now an immersive experience, blending the worlds of language and vision in one harmonious dance. Close your eyes and listen closely, for BARD, the master of conversational AI, has a mesmerizing new trick up its virtual sleeve. Say hello to the enchanting world of text-to-speech, where words come alive, transcending barriers and captivating hearts. For those with visual impairments or reading challenges, BARD's text-to-speech capabilities are nothing short of miraculous. Imagine the joy of immersing yourself in a sea of stories, effortlessly carried away by the soothing melody of spoken words. With BARD as your guide, you needn't strain your eyes to explore the vast landscape of knowledge. Just sit back, relax, and let your mind soar as BARD transforms text into an enchanting symphony of sounds. But how does this magical feat happen? Join us on a journey through the technological marvels that underpin this innovation. Unravel the secrets of speech synthesis algorithms that bring a human-like touch to BARD's voice. Discover the meticulous attention to detail that ensures each intonation, cadence, and inflection is pitch perfect, creating an experience that feels like you're conversing with a living, breathing entity. Yet, even in the realm of magic, challenges exist. We'll unravel the complexities of delivering seamless text-to-speech interactions, from avoiding monotonous tones to navigating pronunciation peculiarities. Witness how BARD overcomes these hurdles, perfecting its symphony of spoken words to delight users worldwide. And the possibilities don't end there. Picture a world where audiobook narration takes on a whole new dimension, with BARD's captivating voice breathing life into beloved tales. Imagine language learners being serenaded by native accents, gaining fluency with every spoken sentence. BARD's text-to-speech prowess opens doors to a universe of opportunities, leaving a lasting impact across diverse domains. Step into the world of conversational ballet, where BARD, the maestro of AI chatbots, takes the center stage with its graceful moves and conversation management. Like a seasoned dancer, BARD orchestrates a seamless performance, effortlessly switching between topics and keeping discussions in perfect harmony. With a twirl of algorithms and a pirouette of innovation, BARD's conversation management is a true masterpiece. Behind the scenes, it delicately juggles multiple threads, ensuring each interaction flows naturally, leaving users spellbound. Say goodbye to those awkward pauses and clumsy topic switches. BARD's got it all under control. As we venture deeper, we'll unravel the secret techniques that BARD employs. Watch in awe as context retention becomes an art form, allowing BARD to remember the tiniest details of past conversations. It's like having the most attentive companion, always ready to pick up where you left off and never missing a beat. But let's talk impact, because this elegant dance of conversation management isn't just for show. BARD's finesse translates into heightened productivity as users seamlessly navigate complex discussions without missing a step. Say hello to efficiency and bid farewell to time wasted in re-establishing context. And oh, the sweet sound of user satisfaction. With BARD's fluid conversational rhythm, users find themselves enchanted by the experience. Gone are the days of frustration and confusion. BARD's precision and charm create a user journey like no other. So, whether you're exchanging pleasantries or diving deep into the depths of knowledge, BARD's dance of conversation management is set to leave an indelible mark on the way we interact with AI. It's more than just smooth moves. It's a symphony of interactions, an exquisite fusion of technology and empathy. Attention, dear users, and welcome to the grand stage of tailored conversations. BARD, the genius behind conversational AI, now unveils a spectacular performance, customizing responses just for you. Get ready to witness the magic of personalized interactions where simplicity, length, formality, and more are at your fingertips. As BARD steps into the limelight, we reveal the AI models that power this enchanting customization. Like a conductor leading an orchestra, BARD selects the perfect notes from its repertoire, crafting responses that resonate with your preferences. Whether you like it short and snappy or long and eloquent, BARD has the melody to match your rhythm. But amidst the symphony of customization, ethical considerations take center stage. In a world propelled by innovation, Google's BARD AI stands as a testament to the boundless potential of conversational AI. With its expanded features, global accessibility, and ethical commitments, BARD continues to shape the future of communication, promising a world where technology and humanity unite in harmony.